to Facetv Africa and turn the notification on. Facetv Africa, ẹ jọ̀ọ́ ẹ subscribe hete.
Facetv was Swoby.
These ones, they eat, sleep, drink, and wake up Nollywood. God bless you, sir.
Thank you very much for inviting me here. I'm going to make this very brief. Very brief. I'm just not who Ada is. Ada's who want Galala music, hot music and all that. Anyway, well, that's by the way. I'll just say that I grew up in Ajegule. So I left, when I went into the movie industry, I left Ajegule to Sule. So I was invited one day to Ajegule to attend a party at the Navy ground. Then as I was sitting, I heard some ladies behind me speaking powerful pidgin English. Broken, or Ajegule broken. And I turned and I saw Ada. And I said, excuse me, I would like to make you a star. So she looked at me and said, So they went to one corner and they were talking to themselves. They said, look at that man. I said, she asked, who are you? I said, I'm Zebejiro. He said, then they went to one corner, they were discussing. He said, look at that guy. He said, he's Zebejiro. What will Zebejiro be doing at Jegule, for God's sake? Okay, so I invited her. Then her very good friend, I sent her, she's here. Where's the Brasso or Grasso? Okay, she's not here. So I sent her to go and call Ada. So Ada came to my office. When he came to my office, he saw a lot of stars moving around. She now came into my office and she told me that, I'm very sorry. The day you spoke to me, this is exactly what my friend and I said.
And not to believe you that day, not verse.
So I don't believe you at all. But now I believe you as the Bejiro. So for me, I'm so proud of Ada. Because God used me to give her the opportunity to be a star. And from the one, Ada did not give up. Ada worked so hard. You understand? So each time I see her, I tell her, baby, I'm so proud of you. I know where we came from, where we started. And Ada is such a wonderful person because at times Ada will call me to say, hey, papi, send me your account. I will send my account, you send me money and said, please go and enjoy yourself, papi. Go and enjoy yourself. You understand? Enjoy yourself because without you, if God did not use you, I wouldn't have been here today. So please, the advice I want to give here is that once you get that kind of opportunity, please don't let it go. Work so hard. You can be as big as Ada. And please always be humble. Thank you very much. God bless you.
To Facetv Africa and turn the notification on. Facetv Africa, ẹ jọ̀ọ́ ẹ subscribe hete.
Facetv was Swoby.